Welcome to this video presentation of the new Tantra's Gigolo Skills workshop. I'm sitting here with Diesel. Hi Diesel.
Hello.
You are leading the Gigolo Skills workshop. Why should guys learn to fuck like a gigolo?
I think the main reason is to really serve the feminine or a woman without you being in the way. So to see if you're able to overrun all your own programs and agendas. The biggest difference between the tantric way of being a gigolo and being a normal gigolo is that I will not come for sure. So I don't ejaculate. I fully master my sexuality. So that's also something that we will turn around, also in the head of women.
Yeah.
And
working on the deeper orgasms.
Exactly.
Are you going to teach them a lot of skills, like how to finger, how to do this, how to do that?
No. We have a different workshop for that. In erotic engineering, it is a lot about really the skills. How do I lick? How do I finger? How do I fuck? How do I put a strap on how, etc. And this will be much more about how do I open up a woman with my presence? How do I stay present during the whole session? When I fuck up, what to do, etc., etc. And also there will also be exercises to tackle stuff that you can't predict can happen. For example, when your woman is extremely micromanaging, so she wants to be in control, how to handle that.
And a lot of hands-on practice, right?
Exactly. Yeah. So and then we will just keep on doing sessions. So they will also get feedback live directly after they've done an exercise with a woman.
Ouch.
Exactly. Yes. So it will be extremely challenging. People will start to realize that they probably overestimate a lot of their skills. Which is a good thing because then you can start to practice and to learn.
And for women, what would be the reasons to go to this workshop?
Learn how to be present while they're served, because that's something that also can be worked on. And they want to learn how to give feedback. We developed quite an extensive feedback form with a lot of different angles, so they are really good to calibrate their feedback. And that is really important for the guys, because guys mainly have quite feeble sexual ego. So when you tell them like, hey, this was not right, they will hear this like, okay, I'm fucked, I can't do anything, and they will be. So that is really important, the way you give the feedback.
It's kind of shooting yourself in the foot if you go like, I don't like this, but then you can't tell him how to make it better.
Exactly. Yeah. And on top of that, they will be the object of desire for the whole weekend, right? It all evolves around how can I serve a woman. So yes, they will definitely get a tons of attention.
Probably also good for the women who feel they struggle with surrender.
Yes, totally.
So what's required of the men to attend the Gigolo Skills?
Yeah, that they have at least done level 1 and 2.
Do I need a really big cock to do a Gigolo Skills workshop, or is that not needed?
It doesn't make any difference if you have a big or a small cock. It's way more about presence and how do you handle the woman.
It's not a certification training, right?
No. I encounter a lot of guys that sort of have the dream that they want to become a gigolo, but they have no idea what that would take, right? So this is a really good way to see if you're fit to do so. If you really think that being a gigolo means that you can fuck any woman you want because you're a gigolo, it's not gonna work out that way. One of the things of becoming or of being a gigolo is that you don't have any preferences, right? You can't just say the only clients I want to serve is blonde with DD tits and an ass that looks like this, and they have to be exactly this height, otherwise I can't work with them. That's not gonna work. So you have to be able to serve any which woman that wants you as her gigolo. So how do you do that? How do you overrun those programs in you?
And if you are in a committed relationship with someone, would this then possibly improve your relationship or enhance your sex with your partner?
Well, yeah, definitely. If, again, also your partner is able to set you free and let you do all the exercises with as many different women as possible, as many different imprints, and you start to see more and more that there's, well, not so much difference between the types.
Mm-hmm.
It's the outside that differs, but the inside is pretty much the same.
Well, thank God for that. Otherwise, it would
Yes.
be very complicated.
Very complicated, yes.
Check out the new Tantra website. The Gigolo Skills Workshop is on the agenda. Hope to see some of you guys there.
Totally.
Ciao.
Ciao for now.